In this video, let us list formulae in surface areas and volumes. By listing and studying formulae, you will be able to write formula for any problem. Consequently, you can secure marks fixed for formula. Let us take first solid in this chapter, that is cube. First formula, lateral surface area LSA equal to 4a square units, where LSA stands for lateral surface area. A is measure of each edge of cube. Second formula, total surface area TSA equal to 6a square units. Third formula, volume of cube V equal to A cube cubic units. Area always measured by square units. Volume of any solid always measured by cubic units. Next, let us take cuboid. First formula, lateral surface area LSA equal to 2 into L plus B into H square units. In any solid, the product of perimeter of base and height gives us lateral surface area. In this formula, 2 into L plus B gives us perimeter of base of cuboid and H is height of cuboid. Therefore, by multiplying 2 into L plus B and H, we can get lateral surface area of cuboid. Next, second formula, total surface area TSA equal to 2 into L into B plus B into H plus H into L square units. Third formula, volume of cuboid V equal to L into B into H cubic units. Circle, circumference of circle C equal to 2 pi r units. Next, area of circle A equal to pi r square units. In this formula, C stands for circumference of circle and R denotes radius of circle. So here we have formula to find area of circle. A stands for area of circle, R denotes radius of circle. Cylinder, curved surface area of cylinder CSA equal to 2 pi r h. Total surface area TSA equal to 2 pi r into r plus h square units. Next, volume of cylinder V is equal to pi r square h cubic units. Cone, first formula, curved surface area CSA equal to pi r L. Total surface area TSA equal to pi r into r plus L square units. Third formula, volume of cone V equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h cubic units. Here we have an additional formula that is used to find slant height of cone, that is L equal to square root of h square plus r square units. Next, sphere, first formula, area of sphere A is equal to 4 pi r square. Volume of sphere V is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube cubic units. Hemisphere, curved surface area of hemisphere CSA equal to 2 pi r square units. Total surface area of hemisphere TSA equal to 3 pi r square. Volume of hemisphere V equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube cubic units. Frustum of a cone. First formula, curved surface area CSA equal to pi into r1 plus r2 into L square units. Second formula, total surface area TSA equal to pi into r1 plus r2 into L plus pi r1 square plus pi r2 square units. Third formula, V equal to 1 by 3 pi r1 square plus r2 square plus r1 into r2h. So fourth formula to find slant height of frustum of a cone, L equal to square root of h square plus r1 minus r2 whole square units.